Marshlock's happy. Hi, I'm going to answer 4 recently asked questions. The first one regards YouTube and those stinking advertisements that are on them. I was asked if watching the whole ad earned me more money. I was told a while back that it did. If it's the case, I haven't seen a difference. I don't like the ads. I don't know about you, but I don't like the ads. I don't like having the ads on my videos. The reason we did that way back was to help offset the cost of filming and such. You know, these SD cards, these stupid things are $50, $60 a piece, the ones that I use. And I use a lot. So I give you an example. The upcoming series that I'm going to film of several BMW models is going to require 10 SD cards. So that's a $500 to $600 investment just to start off with. That's why the ads are on the videos on YouTube. But the problem is, they don't make much money. And I don't think for the $125 a month that it's bringing in now, I think at our peak in the old days with affordable Beamer services, we were near almost to $200 a month. But it's $120, $125 a month now, and the ads are shitty. And I feel bad that the ads are on there and you have to see them. So I don't see a difference. X out of them, skip over them. I'd like to find a way to present my material without any advertising. Maybe on a different platform, maybe Patreon perhaps. Would you consider becoming a patron if I had a channel on Patreon where I would get much more into detail regarding BMW motorcycle repairs and other things and aspects of life and such. I have many things planned, so perhaps you would follow me over to Patreon, and for a few dollars a month you get more information, better quality videos, and a more enjoyable time without any advertising. Sound good? Sounds good to me. I think we're going to try that soon. Let me know your thoughts. Throw it in the comments. Would you follow me over to Patreon or not? Thanks. Next question. Is the shop ready yet? No, it is not ready yet. It's very much winter here. This is, I keep my family warm with wood, and that has required all of my time every day. It's a full-time job, keeping the family warm only with wood. I've not turned that money knob on the wall. We've used just wood, and it's worked fine. We cook on the wood stove, we eat with the wood stove. But it's a full-time job, and it's winter here, so that's taken a lot of my time away from finishing the setup in the shop. It's coming, and the filming will begin soon, but I'm just not ready yet. A little more time needs to be spent and a little more investment, and that I'll get into with some of these other answers. Next question. Oh, I'll finish that. Next winter won't be so bad heating with wood because I'll have prepared over this summer. We arrived here very late in the year last year, not enough time to get prepared for heating with wood. So that's why I'm behind. I ended up with 4 quart of green wood, which I'm very thankful that I even got any wood this winter. But that had to be split into smaller pieces, and that's why it takes all day. So that's that. Next question is, can I bring my R1150 RT to you for service? This is partly why I film outdoors, to show what the weather is like here. And it's very much winter here in Maine. So, being that it's only the middle of February, I really don't anticipate winter being gone until May. By that time, the bikes that are here, the BMWs that are here, will be complete, and then I can think about helping some of you with your maintenance. So, yes, but not yet. Next question. The last question regards travel. Several of you have invited me to your fabulous places, Peru, Australia, New Zealand, all over Europe, South America. Wow. Thank you. But please realize, I'm just a BMW motorcycle mechanic. We don't even earn a living wage in the best of times. Survival is living on the cheap. Here now, my camp in the woods of Maine was affordable and offers me the peace and tranquility that I can focus on filming what I want to share with all of you. A virtual emptying of my head before I go. Life is now about not spending money, not about making money. That's counterfeit, and that's illegal. So your donations are very important and help fund future filming. And I got a lot to film. There's a lot in here that might help you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for inviting me, but I can't leave here. You know what it's like trying to get back into this country after you're out? It's not always pleasant. But thank you. And thanks for following along. I promise you, you will see wrenches in action coming very soon. Very, very soon. But I need more SD cards. I can't start filming when I'm going to run out of space. I need more storage space. Thanks. Have a good day. Take care. Bye now.